If you want to set up a VPN on a Motorola Moto G87, first of all we can go to Settings. Once you open Settings, then over here we should be able to proceed to Network and Internet. There we go. Then over here choose the VPN option. And of course, in order to be able to connect to a VPN, we need to use a VPN server, VPN profile, or whatever. And if you have all the necessary information to create a profile, then you can use this plus button in the upper right corner. And then you can fill everything in, or everything that you, of course, can fill in. And then once you are done, you can save your profile, and then you can use it to connect to a VPN server. And in case you don't have any information whatsoever, you can always use third-party apps that allow you to use the VPN. There are, of course, a bunch of different VPN apps that allow you to use VPN. In order to find them, you can just go to the Play Store. Then at the bottom, we're going to use the search option, and then use the search field at the top. And of course, we can type VPN over here. There we go. And as you can see, we have many different VPN apps, and feel free to try any of them. I'm not going to say that one is better than the other, because personally, I don't really check them, so I have no idea. But in this case, in my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up. But like I said, try anything else in case you don't like this app, or in case it's just not satisfying, I guess, or in case it doesn't work. Keep in mind that different VPN apps may have different features. Some VPN apps, they allow you to use countries of your choice for free. So you can just choose whichever country you want to connect to. And in some cases, the VPN apps picks randomly. So there are small differences here and there. So once we have the app ready, of course, you want to open it. Usually the setup is very simple, and you just have to follow instructions that you will see on this screen. Thankfully, in this case, we don't have to even create an account, so we can just continue as a guest. So that's, of course, a big plus. And besides that, you might see a premium offer, but you don't really need to actually use it. So if you want to, you can use the app for free, at least in this case. I can tap on a not now in order to proceed. And then you should be able to connect to a server. And in my case, I have been connected to Romania. I can actually change server, so I'm gonna get another random server. And I can keep changing until I find the one that I actually want to use. And keep in mind that in many cases, we also have some additional settings that you might want to check out in order to make some small adjustments here and there. But that is pretty much all you have to do in order to start using VPN. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.